Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Walmart's weekly settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Walmart and you will enter. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.